I'm trying something new. How would you like to sculpt along with me? We'll do it informally and just have fun with it. This is the very first time I've done a tutorial like this. Hi, this is Rozani. Use these and join me as I explore this Papier Mâché figurine and to find out how to turn this tissue paper starter shape into this. I'm adding on and comparing this piece to the illustration used to create gargoyles. That's right. Won't you join me in creating gargoyles in this introductory tutorial? Come along as I take you beyond the basics, and we'll go step by step in sculpting this little papier mâché creature. This video will be unlisted, and you do have to register to be able to receive the link. I would like to have at least 6 people, but you could attend individually or even as a group. So when does all this happen? This will begin on Sunday, August 13, starting at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time in the U.S. I invite you to follow along, and I'll be there in the comments section to answer any questions until 8 p.m. If you miss it this time, you can always come back and watch at your own pace. This will be a pre-recorded video, so it is not live. But I will answer the comments live between those hours on that date. Start here. I ask that you contribute a $5 registration fee by using the link in the description. And it'll be greatly appreciated. You can sign up between now and August 12th, 2023, and you'll be all set. You'll be able to use the illustration and the wing template that I'm providing in this video. Meanwhile, here's the supply list. Please let me know if you have any questions. And I do thank you so much for watching. This might be a good tutorial for you. Meanwhile, keep on creating. Bye for now. Hope to see you next time.